Hello, this is Amellali. I'm from Mexico and she's my grandma, mamámoy. I thought it would be nice to show you how we celebrate Día de los Muertos in my family, Day of Dead. I have a couple of videos but only in Spanish, so I think it will be great to share it with more people and that you can understand what I'm saying. This is a very popular Mexican tradition and it's the most important in our family. Mamámoy learned this from her parents, and her grandparents used to make huge parties and ofrendas in big rooms to celebrate and share with their loved ones who are gone. It's important to say that every region in Mexico has different variants of the tradition, and that's wonderful. Mamámoy is from La Huasteca Potosina, so her celebration is from that region in particular, and I hope you enjoy it. We start this celebration on October 29th. That day we go to the mercado and buy flowers. Cempasúchil is the main flower we use in the celebration, and we believe the smell helps the souls to find their way to the ofrenda. The main focus is the floral arch. Mamámoy explained me that the arch represents the entrance from the dead world to ours, and there are different ways to building it, but also you can skip it. You can add flowers to complement the design in bouquets or string together flowers to create rosarios. Some religious elements are included too. We don't use pictures, but you can add pictures of your loved ones as well. On October 30th, the non-born and unbaptized babies arrive. For them, we only offer salt, water, and Mamámoy plays milk as well. She lights up a little candle to provide light, and these are the main elements in the ofrenda: flowers, water, salt, and light. All of them, we believe, help the souls to find the ofrenda and also protects them to arrive safely and come back safely to the rest. The water has to be constantly changed because Mamámoy don't want them to share the same glass, and she lights up the candles with a blessing cereal. And we don't blow them off, we just let them until it turns off by itself. On October 31st at noon, the kids arrive. Mamámoy plays a candle for each family member she remembered in her ofrenda and named them along with the lighting up moment so they can know which light is for each one. And for the babies, there are baby candles. Also place extra light for those who nobody remembers or those who don't have an ofrenda to go to. And part of our decoration is paper baskets full of candy, but Mamámoy also cooks some fruit candy, apple, pumpkin, banana, and camote candy, and we love those, the entire family. But all this is cooked especially for them, so we only eat after them. Today, the food is not spicy and tortillas are handmade. Nothing better than enchiladas que no pican with handmade tortillas. At night we place some coffee, chocolate, and cinnamon tea along with pan de muerto, which will be bread of dead. And there's this viral TikTok saying this bread has the dead people ashes, and that's true. That's why it's called bread of dead. No, it's not true. That's not true at all. It's bread like it's normal bread, sweet, and they don't add ashes to the bread. We don't eat the dead people. But something interesting is that every region in Mexico has their own traditional bread of death. Like, everybody can get the most popular one, but also there is different recipes in different places of the country. The next morning, November 1st, we have to prepare breakfast for the kids, some bread and new cups with chocolate and tea that we made that morning. We believe they leave and then adults arrive at noon, so Mamámoy receives them with spicy food and different beverage, and of course cigarettes, and those are the ones which they finish first. She cooks some handmade tortillas because otherwise my grand-grandma Epigmenia will throw them away. Some spicy food, and also she makes sure to cook some of the favorite meals of her parents and her parents-in-law. Beer, soda, and alcohol is also part of the ofrenda. And people often ask us, what do we do with all the food? Well, we eat it. We don't waste it. The flavor change. Basically, it's flavorless a lot of the times. And this is a popular belief, but for me, it's a fact. It's real. They take the flavor because they are eating the food. This is my favorite night from this celebration because all of the candles are light up and the altar looks so beautiful at night. We place dinner, hot chocolate, coffee, and bread, and we pray a rosario for the souls of all the adults that visit the ofrenda and then go to sleep. November 2nd is the last day. It's funny to me that always, every year, the morning is very chill, even if the previous day was very sunny or hot. And I think that the weather is somehow related with the goodbye. The adults will leave at noon, so we hurry to offer the breakfast. Mamámoy plays cinnamon tea with piquete. That means with a little bit of alcohol. And she says that when she was a kid, they used to sell this tea early in the morning for 25 cents. And her father used to drink the tea before work. She cooks a good meal, and we thank them for the visit and invite them to come back the next year. This is very important, and we also talk to them constantly through these days, like when we place the food and when we light up the candles. Like, we really feel they are here with us. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love to share this with you because Mamámoy makes this with so much love and is an artist building the ofrenda. And when I first shared these kind of videos, I never thought people will want to see them as much. I just wanted to share it because it's very important for my entire family. And now it turns out people really enjoy it and they wait every year to see the ofrenda. So let me know if you want to see a video for the one that we'll be making this year. And thank you for watching.